Hi guys, we have seen the in the previous video we have created a Gmail account. Or now I am telling you the how to use cloud storage in mediafire and how to use it by Gmail email. Let's moving out. First of all, I open mediafire.com. Now I already have an account, my personal account. I am signing out that account and using that one that I created the Gmail account of my WP Ustaad PK. Here it is, my Gmail account. Using it for I am using it for my for mediafire.com. Let's sign up or login. First of all, I check the login. It is saying that you will create an account, a sign up account. So I create a sign up account first. Here it's saying okay, I'm using the login with Facebook or login with, let me check my email wpstart.pk@gmail.com. It is not working. And I have another password to check, but it's not working. Now I'm creating an account. Let's basic account I want to create with my Gmail account in mediafire.com. Here it is. I'm using wpstart.pk for wpstart.pk. That's pk. Now I'm using my email wpstart.pk@gmail.com. Password, I have set the password. I'm using it for education. How do you plan to use your new account? Check all that apply. I have checked 3 boxes. I want to use it. I already agreed all terms. Now I'm using it. I'm not a robot. Okay. It is already default language. Now creating my account and it is already created. Wow, great. Now I have my dashboard of mediafire.com. Here it is. They are showing the basic space of my 10 GB. Okay, and also a referral space they are giving if you want to more explore it. Earn space. First of all, I will tell you the structure of the whole dashboard. Then I will tell you how to earn more space with free package and free clicking installing the mobile apps and mobile application. Here it is. Here it is a grid view. It is a grid view you are seeing on first option. Now it is a new folder option. Here it is. You can create a new folder option. You can search your files by here, or you can sort a filter or images, private, video, audio, document, spreadsheet, whatever you want. You can sort it by name, date, size, and downloads. Upload your file, simply drag something like that, whatever you want. Any file or folder or image, like I have said that image, and it is want to upload. Begin upload, and it is already uploaded in a few seconds. Here it is. Here's my image, and now I am telling you what you can click on recent files. Here are share with me. You can share anything with your friends. Here's a trash folder. Now it's my account info you are looking at. If you click on your usage of files, your email, and your created account date, and verifying, if you want to verify your email and you are using, if more upgrade your account, you have to buy. Now I'm telling you the other options. I don't think you want other options, you only want earn space, more earn space by free account and free space. Like I have right now 10 GB. If I want to increase my 200 MB, I have to share it on twitter.com, post on Facebook, post on Twitter. If you install the in your mobile app, mediafire app, you will also get 200. If you refer your friend, many friends as you can, you will up to get 39 GB free. I've already connected space on already post on Facebook. That's why I get 200 MB, and I'm posting it on Facebook. Let what I want. Let's see what happens in a moment. And I'm refreshing it. I accept, and you will see the 200 MB will also run. Here it is. I'm refreshing, and it will increase 10 GB by something. Wait, I'm refreshing the thing. Here it is, 200 MB. Wait, I also click on Twitter. First, I log into Twitter. You will see the difference. Twitter.com. It will affect in a moment. Right now, I'm not looking here to Twitter. Now I am using it to post on Twitter. Maybe I will use that Twitter, link the Twitter. I'm linking the Twitter account, and it will work. Here it is, unable to link Twitter when you tried already linked. Okay, I already linked. Sorry, your media file is not connected to Facebook. I want to. Here it is. I got 11 GB, 11 GB, especially 1 GB at least. I have got it by that social media click. I have clicked the social media. Connect your Twitter account, Facebook account, or now I have left the 2-3 packages installed on mobile app. You will get 200 MB installed on Twitter. I already have installed, but I don't know what. There are two Twitter accounts here. Or you can also share the whole space, or you want more space to your friends. Share with your friends the referral link, and you will get the more space very quickly. Here is the reference link. You have to invite the emails and then send invite. Here is the also link you want. If you like the video, please guys subscribe, like and share, and click on bell icon, then you will get the new videos. Okay, bye bye, thanks.